I'm a pharmacist here at Scripps. We're a long-term closed-door pharmacy. I wanted to tell you about my experience with this amazing DOSIS machine. For many, many years, my husband was trying to convince me to get into robotics and to get a piece of equipment like this for my pharmacy, but I felt like it was too expensive, I didn't need it, I wanted the interaction with my employees, which I still do, but now we have a machine that's very reliable, it's always here for us, it performs very well, and it's super user-friendly. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about my experience with it momentarily. I was told that the DOSIS performs comparable to 2.5 technicians. At first, I couldn't wrap my brain around that. I couldn't imagine how is that possible. And then I got the machine, and soon after I understood, I was like, wow, this is actually magical. And I need to tell everybody, I need to share, I want to scream. But a lot of my friends and contacts are not in the pharmacy world. They don't know what I'm talking about. What is this Blister card? So I really wanted to share with some of my colleagues that are in the profession, who were in long-term care, who didn't quite have a robot. So I called my friend Kim and I told her, you have to come over here because it's here, it's awesome, and you need one. My initial concerns were, how are we gonna fit this robot into my pharmacy? Where are we gonna put it? How is it gonna plug in? How is it gonna integrate with my software? Everything turned out to be so seamless, so easy. It was super efficient to work it into our existing workflow. We export a file, the DOSIS reads the information from our software company, and you hear the DOSIS startup, and it's like magic. Here we go. So when the card is ready, it comes out here, and voila. The moment I got the DOSIS machine, I wanted to share with my colleagues, such as Kim, the pros and cons. I didn't find that many cons. I found way more pros about the machine, and right away I kept messaging her, when are you getting it, you need this, you can't live without this, this is absolutely amazing, and I don't know how I lived for the last 6 years without it. She soon came over and I showed her, gave her a little tour of the facility and how I work the DOSIS, and showed her how easy it is. You're not really lifting anything heavy. It's really, really, really user-friendly. I can't stress that enough. The support at DOSIS has been absolutely fantastic. They have a 1-800 number. Whenever we call them, they call us back within 5 minutes. I have some agents available via text message for those moments where it's late at night and I come in to check on my robot, and if there's any kind of things that I need help with adjusting, that they can work remotely from their computers, which is fantastic. So I don't really lose a night, and I can get my robot working the whole night, which is really important for me to sustain my volume. So I finally decided to do it, sign a contract with DOSIS, and lease this amazing, amazing machine. The reason why I opted for a machine instead of an employee is because, well, it works 24 hours if you wanted to. It doesn't really take a break. It doesn't need to take a break. It doesn't need to use the restroom. And it's always in a good mood. So what's not to love? What's not to be happy about when you have a consistently amazing piece of machinery that performs very well for our growing business? I'm really thankful and grateful for the opportunity to have such a piece of equipment. I really want to share with everybody. I think that we can work together and establish a solid relationship where I can perform demos for your other clients and show them how seamless the integration is when you lease a robot, that it's really life-changing and will put everyone's hesitations to rest.